Seed starting and how to grow pepper from seeds. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. So today we're going to be talking about seed starting and how to start pepper from seeds. As you see in the video here, a couple of weeks ago I bought these seeds that were like 20 cents each. So what I'm going to do today is start my seeds indoors and show you how I start seeds to get it grow faster. So we're gonna do the paper towel method. So I put a paper towel on the table and I spread the seeds all over the paper towel like this. And what you want to make sure is that make sure it's separate from each other. Then you fold the paper towel like that and just sprinkle water on the paper towel to hold the various seeds in place. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water. So after this, what we do next is we're just gonna fold. I'll do the same for this one. So I'm planting these two types of peppers. I have this Spanish variety and the habanero pepper. So I'll see which one starts first, and we're gonna just cover it up and put it in a plastic bag. So now it's all set after about a week that we did this, and these I mistakenly left some of them a lot longer than I intended to, and this is what happened. They started germinating a lot in there. So usually you want to leave it in there for 4 days, but I was so busy I wasn't able to get it out within that time. So now what we're gonna do is just transplant them into these containers. So what I want to do here is transplant as much uh, in these containers, and just once they're all growing and developing, then we can move it to individual containers. So when pulling this thing, especially with the roots all uh, very long like this, when pulling it out you want to be careful not to break the roots. So that's why I advise you not to leave it this long in there. But if you're gonna pull it out, you want to make sure that you pull it out gradually, and just make sure you hold the paper towel and make sure it comes out easily. If you pull it with a lot of force, it might cut the root, and it might destroy the plant. So what I'm gonna do is just use a pencil and just poke holes, uh, poke a couple of holes all over where I'm gonna put the seeds. And since the roots are a little bit longer now, you want to make sure that it's deep enough that it can take the whole root system. So just like I said, just pull it slowly, and just another, if you have a situation like this, another option that I usually do is just put the whole paper towel and all the seeds in a tray, and just add a little bit of layer of seed starting on it, and they're just gonna germinate from that. So once they're germinating and the roots are strong enough that you can pull out, then you can pull it out easily. But if you're able to pull all of them out like this, you pull all of them out and transplant it, they're gonna do much better than just uh, the other way I was telling you about. So here they're all put into this container. So we just want to make sure that we water it once we put them in there like that. Water it, and just then we put it aside. We have another, and I have another container where I plant. I'm gonna show you this ones where I just sprinkle them in there. A lot of roots didn't come up for this one, so what I do is just sprinkle them in the container, then put like an inch layer of seed starting mix, then just cover it. Okay, here we have it. It's been like 4 or 5 days since I put this in this container. So as you see, the ones that had roots are already germinating, and they are looking much better, and they are growing. So this is under the grow light. So the other ones that I had over there were some other tropical plants, but these are the peppers, and they're doing great. So in a couple of weeks time, I'm gonna transplant them into individual containers so that they can do much better. So this where I can make sure that they have individual cells where I can easily transplant them into the garden or into containers in the greenhouse. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share. Thank you, and keep growing.